Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to censor or hide inappropriate words in your YouTube captions. If you've ever wanted to keep your captions clean and family-friendly, this feature will help you do that easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store and in the search bar, type YouTube Studio. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Settings, and here you need to scroll down and toggle on Censor Auto Captions. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, I'll see you soon.